Introducing Total Repair by FiberFix, the universal repair tool. Here's the problem. Superglues bond objects together, but cannot perform other adhesive functions like sealing or reinforcement. Light-cured adhesives can seal, fill, and reinforce, but they cannot bond together opaque objects. Total Repair does it all. Got a broken object? Bond it with Total Repair. Do you have a hole or crack? Seal it with Total Repair. What about chips or gaps? Fill it with Total Repair. See, Total Repair is unlike any glue out there. It comes with a unique adhesive formula, an innovative blue light technology that empowers you to make endless repairs with the same product. To apply, twist and cap the nozzle on to pierce the foil, then squeeze the body to dispense resin. Shine the included blue light for an instant cure. If you're trying to glue two objects where light can't get in, don't worry. Simply apply Total Repair to one side and press the objects together. Within a minute, the glue will harden. Total Repair. It gets all of the jobs done.
Water, the essential element of life. It flows in all of us, through our veins and out our pores. We depend on it. No matter your age or lifestyle, everyone needs to drink water. But with busy schedules, work-filled days, staying hydrated is easy to forget. With H2O Pal, hydration is one less thing you need to worry about. H2O Pal has an energy-efficient weight sensor that tracks your water intake throughout the day. It syncs straight to your smartphone or watch, sending you notifications to drink more water. H2O Pal helps you establish a habit of drinking more water at the right time, which can lead to improved focus and productivity, motivate you to stay on track with your daily goal, and give you the satisfaction of seeing your progress over time. You have enough things to worry about. With H2O Pal, staying hydrated won't be one of them. Start a healthier life by getting yours at h2opal.com.